When you put the pictures side by side, it's easy to tell the difference. Believe it or not, this was a quick $40 fix from the tailor. She brought the sleeves up, she brought the sides in. You can't see it from here, but she adjusted the back so when I turn around, the back doesn't come up. Perfect tailoring job. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking. If this is your first time here, I try to make videos on how to maximize your lifestyle independent of income. So I might have alluded to this before, but I work in HVAC sales. I moved down to Florida 8 years ago to sell air conditioning. I'll be going out to Dallas tomorrow. So what we do each year is we go on a national sales meeting. 200 of me, territory sales managers on the residential side, about 100 salespeople on the commercial side, all meet up in Dallas. All of our managers, all of our zone managers, everyone in corporate, everybody meets up. So it's an annual meeting of about 500 people. With that said, we see each other once a year. It's a lot of people. It's a lot of executives. Every time I go, I make sure I look sharp. That's why I decided to make a video today on some tips on how to make yourself look sharp inexpensively. So the first tip is one of the most important. It's real simple. Make sure your clothes fit by getting them tailored. Let me show you what I mean. In this picture, I've got a shirt that's got tailored sleeves. The sleeves fit just right. A quick and easy $10 tailoring job. I don't know if you noticed, but the pants aren't quite perfect. An extra ½ inch or an inch or so actually makes a huge difference because of the roll down there. In this picture, I've got an old suit that's just a little bit too large. It's one size too large. It probably looks pretty decent, but if you go over to the next picture, this is a suit that fits. It's been tailored. The sleeves have been brought up just right, the sides have been brought in, and it fits me perfectly. Just for reference, I took a quick picture before I got it tailored, and that's what it looks like. When you put the pictures side by side, it's easy to tell the difference. Believe it or not, this was a quick $40 fix from the tailor. She brought the sleeves up, she brought the sides in. You can't see it from here, but she adjusted the back so when I turn around, the back doesn't come up. Perfect tailoring job. In this side-by-side comparison, I just wanted to show you the difference between the correct pants tailoring and an incorrect one. ½ inch or an inch or so actually makes a huge difference. There's no roll on the pants on the right. The black jacket on the right is also tailored the same way. The sides have been brought in, the sleeves are adjusted just right. Again, $40 job makes a huge difference. So now I want to focus on the dress shirt itself. This is the same one I had on originally, but you notice how the top of the shirt is not really firm. For comparison's sake, this white shirt has a product called $1 Million Collar. Basically, it's a piece of plastic that goes into the top of the shirt here to keep this portion nice and straight. A couple dollar product makes a huge difference. In this picture, I just wanted to show that everyone should have a French cuff in their wardrobe. I was a little intimidated to get one of these initially. I'm used to having a button there, but now I love wearing it for formal occasions. With a nice cuff link, it actually makes a huge statement. And then here I am all buttoned up with my black jacket. The jacket fits perfectly, the pants fit perfectly, the dress shirt fits perfectly, and you can get this whole tailored look for less than $100. So the next thing I want to talk about is polishing your shoes. $7 for a bottle of polish, 2 minutes of your time, and the results are night and day. Here's how I do it. So this is what the shoe looks like before polishing. You can look, it's all dried up, dusty, nasty. So what I'm going to do, I got this shoe polish off of Amazon. It's pretty good. You can tell that it's nice and thick. And so all I do is I just grab a pair of old boxers, dip a little bit of that shoe polish. I don't know if that's the right amount or not, but that's how much I use. And I just start applying from the top. Let it soak in there. It smells pretty good. Get a little bit more on the sides. You can already tell that the that the leather is soaking this thing in. The back, it's all scuffed up here. Just a 2-minute quick. I could probably do a better job if I spent a little bit more time, but I really don't wear these shoes much anymore, and I just wanted to tell you, just wanted to show you how big of a difference it makes. The next way to really freshen your look is to get a haircut, and it doesn't break the bank. For me, longer hair just looks sloppy and sometimes a little dirty, while a fresh cut makes it look cleaner and more energetic. So that's it. Some quick and easy ways to sharpen your look. They say it only takes 7 seconds for somebody to make their first impression about you. So hopefully these tips will help maximize your lifestyle and make a great first impression when it counts. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Appreciate you doing it. If you liked the video, if you liked the tips, please hit that like button. As always, please consider subscribing to the channel. I try to make a video every week. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.